When you're staring at an open electrical panel, the last thing you want is to be second-guessing the hardware you are plugging in. That is where this Eaton 100-amp double-pole breaker comes into the picture. It is one of those components that just feels substantial the moment you pick it up. There is a certain heft to it that you do not always get with cheaper alternatives, and honestly, that matters when you are dealing with a main feed or a heavy-duty subpanel. It is manufactured down in Puerto Rico, and there is a level of build quality here that feels consistent with what you would expect from a brand that has been around the block a few times. The plug-in mounting is straightforward, which is a relief because nobody wants to be wrestling with a stubborn breaker when they are trying to get a job finished. It snaps into the bus bar with a satisfying, solid click that lets you know it is seated properly. Now here is the thing about these standard trip breakers. They are not trying to reinvent the wheel. They are designed to do one job: protect the circuit, and they do it without any unnecessary bells or whistles. What stands out, though, is the reliability. You are not paying for fancy indicators or smart connectivity. You are paying for a mechanical switch that is going to hold up under load. That said, it is a bit of a bulky unit. If your panel is already cramped or you are working in a tight space, you are going to feel that size. It is not exactly a slim-profile device, so make sure you have the clearance before you start pulling wires. Another small thing to keep in mind is that because it is a standard trip, it is a bit old school in its operation. It is not going to give you the granular data you might get from some of the newer, more expensive digital monitoring breakers, but for most residential or light commercial setups, that is perfectly fine. It is a workhorse. It does exactly what it says on the box, and it does it reliably. If you are looking for something that is going to sit in your panel and just work for years without you having to think about it, this is a solid pick. It is not flashy, and it is not going to win any design awards, but when it comes to electrical safety, boring is usually a good thing. It is a dependable piece of kit that gets the job done without any drama.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.